loves, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, LifeAsDani. I'm super excited to have you here today. Hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. For today's video, I'm doing another keyboard unboxing. Just be prepared to see a bunch of these because I am definitely rapidly building my collection. So yeah. So here's the keyboard that I'm going to be unboxing today. It's a Sermon mechanical keyboard. Honestly, I haven't heard a lot about these. It was like very affordable and it's really cute, but I'm doing another like swapping of the keycaps project today. So yeah, you guys are gonna get another one of those. So here are the keycaps that I'm going to be swapping it out for. So yeah, if you're interested in just like hanging out with me, seeing this keyboard and hearing some really nice ASMR, you know, clickety clackety keyboard sounds, then just go ahead and keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get her open. Okay, so this is a Sermon 75% keyboard. It's brown and white keycaps, which the stock keycaps are really cute, but I just have something way better in mind. So here you have like the standard stuff that all the keyboards come with, extra keycaps, the cord, which I have a ton of these. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all of them. Oh, this is cute. A white switch and keycap puller, tri-mode, so it so you can use it wired, wireless, or with the USB dongle. So here is the keyboard. She's very lightweight, which is nice. In the back you have you know, option for Windows and Mac. Dongle is back here. So here she is with her stock keycaps, which is really cute. Like, I would definitely use it like this. Let's go ahead and hear what she sounds like. So she sounds really good, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like it like this. It gives like really cozy like vibes, like earthy vibes. I really like it. You have the knob, which I'm pretty sure is multifunction like they all are. Usually this like turns volume up, switches the lights, things of that sort. Oh, let me show you the keycaps actually before I be back. Okay, are you guys ready for this? I have nothing like this in my collection. Literally all my keyboards are like pink. So yes, and then this one that I switched the keycaps is like pinky beige, but look at this. Guys, I'm like so excited. So cute. So it's gonna give like a gummy bear vibe. It's so cute. Also on the, I don't know if you could see on the space bar, there's little gummy bears. So yes, the whole reason why I bought this was to change her out. She's gonna look so cute. So I will be right back. I'm gonna set up my phone so we can film for TikTok as well. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me yet again and nerding out with Dani. I think I should call this like a series, like Nerding Out with Dani. I don't know. I thought that was just cute. It's very like, like nerdy vibes, and it's totally not like my average content. So I think I'm gonna name it that. So every time you see that, just know it's gonna be something like keyboard related. Like I said, I have a few more of these videos coming up, and just prepare for a lot more in the future, because I am, growing this hobby and this passion. So I hope you guys are along for the ride. I hope you guys are here to stay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down a keyboard emoji. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.